Avoid constant charging by enabling low power mode early, dimming screen brightness, and closing unused apps. These small changes cut power drain, making your iPhone last noticeably longer throughout the day, especially useful during travel, long work days, or emergencies when charging isn't an option. Your iPhone feels slow? Delete unused apps, clear Safari data, and restart the device weekly. It's a quick combo that frees RAM, improves responsiveness, and refreshes background processes, like giving your phone a mini detox to run smoother again without any tech skills required. Use reader mode in Safari to strip out ads, autoplay videos, and heavy graphics. It's not just easier on your eyes, it reduces data usage and speeds up page loads, perfect when you're on a limited plan or weak signal. Instead of deleting photos or apps, just enable optimized storage, offload unused apps, and clean out old messages. You'll reclaim gigabytes in minutes without losing anything important, keeping your iPhone fast and clutter-free for the long haul. Keep your screen healthier by turning on auto lock at 30 seconds and lowering brightness. This not only prevents screen wear, but also drastically reduces battery drain during idle time. Smart if you use your phone heavily throughout the day. Stop every app from demanding your attention. Turn off unnecessary notifications to boost focus and extend battery life. You'll only get alerts that truly matter, avoiding constant distractions and that stressful flood of pop-ups every 5 minutes. Turn on airplane mode while you sleep to stop background apps, location tracking, and signals from draining your battery. You'll wake up to way more charge left, ideal when you forget to plug it in overnight. Switching to dark mode isn't just about aesthetics. It actually helps OLED iPhones use less battery, especially during nighttime scrolling. Plus, it reduces eye strain and looks better in low-light environments. It's sleek, energy-saving, and easier on the eyes. Heat kills battery health fast. Never leave your iPhone charging under your pillow, in your car, or direct sunlight. Letting it cool down during use and avoiding heavy apps while charging helps preserve long-term performance and battery efficiency. Instead of typing long messages, hit the microphone icon and speak. It's surprisingly accurate, faster than your fingers, and great for multitasking or when you're on the move. A smart way to communicate hands-free without fumbling with the keyboard.